ओ रासाती रासाती रंगूनुक्ku रासाती रापगला कात्तिरुक्कावा.
This sounds like a folk song, right? Like the way the composition is.
கடிகார முல்ல போல என்ன கணதோறு சுத்தி வாயா என்ன தோரத்து.
Oh no! Oh no! Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video I will be watching and reacting to a Tamil song. This song is called, this song stars Dhanush and this was requested. So I got a super chat and this was specifically requested. Firstly, thank you for that super chat. And this song is called Athadi Athadi. If it's incorrect pronunciation, I'm sorry, but once I play the song I'll understand if it's the correct pronunciation or not. So this is from a film called Anegan, and this song is, guys, hold your breath, hold your breath, hold your horses. Song is composed by Haris Jayaraj. Yes, so of course I'm gonna fall in love with it. Like, that's the assumption that I go with whenever there's a Haris song. So I don't want to delay this any further. Very, very excited to watch the song, and let us begin. It's like set in a different era. Rich girl, poor guy, the trope that we all know and are familiar with. Oh, the matka sound, Haris magic. Athadi. Athadi.
ओ रासाती रासाती रंगूनुक्ku रासाती रापगला कात्तिरुक्कावा. இது முதல் முதலாய் சில சிலப்பு முதுகு தண்டில் குறுகுறுப்பு முழுக வரும் எனக்கு சொல்வாயா. ஏன் அடி மனசில் சுகம் இருக்கு, அடி வைத்து பயம் இருக்கு, அதுக்கு மட்டும் மருந்து சொல்வாயா.
Sounds like a folk song, right? Like the way the composition is. Okay. By the way, shout out to Jitin for subtitling this video. See, totally sounds like a folk song, very folksy.
நீ மகுடத்தில் வைரக்கல்லு, நானோ மழை பெஞ்ச உப்பு கல்லு. ஒன்ன தொடவோ விரல் படவோ ஒரு பொருத்தம் எனக்கேது.
நான் தரமான தங்க கட்டி, நீ தகரத்தில் கெட்டி பெட்டி, என்னை அடைக்க காத்து கிடக்கு உன்னை போல ஆளு ஏது.
ஆசைக இருந்தா கூட மனம் மசியாது, ஆத்துல விழுந்தா கூட நிழல் நனையாது.
உள்ளுக்குள் உள்ளக்கிருக்கு ஒன்னு சும்மா விடாது.
ஆத்தாடி ஆத்தாடி செம்பருத்தி பூக்காரி, ஆசைப்பட்டு பூத்திருக்காளா. ஏன் ராசாத்தி ராசாத்தி
She was in love with him.
ராசாத்தி ராப்பகலா காத்திருக்காளா.
Oh, nice. This is so beautiful also, like the video.
தூக்கி பார்த்தேன் இப்ப பூ முட்டை தூக்க போறேன்
ஏலஞ்சிருக்கி ஒன்ன முறுக்கி
ஏன் அருணாக்கை ராக்க போறேன்
இடுப்புல கயிறா கிடக்க மலர்ந்த இருந்ததையா கழுத்துல கயிறா வந்தா
How's this one?
நித்தமும் சொந்தமையா
விழியால் தொட்ட அழகே இந்த ஆசை மாறாதே
Oh no! Oh no!
ஆத்தாடி செம்பருத்தி பூக்காரி ஆசைப்பட்டு
Oh my god! What a gun!
ஓ ராசாத்தி ராசாத்தி ரங்கோனுக்கு ராசாத்தி ராப்பகலா காத்திருக்காவா
இது முதலாய் சிலுப்பு முதுகு தண்டில் குறுகுறுப்பு முழுவு வரும் எனக்கு சொல்வாயா என் அடி மனசில் சுகம் இருக்கு அடி வயிற்றில் பயம் இருக்கு அதுக்கு மட்டும் மருந்து சொல்வாயா
Sorry. All right. So that was Athadi Athadi. So yeah, my pronunciation initially was incorrect, but I think again with Harris, the way he incorporates, you know what? Whenever, of course, with Harris Gerard songs, I look for the melodies. I'm always excited to listen to okay, what kind of melody he's going to incorporate. But I think what I look forward more is how he kind of curates the instrumental, like between the verses, how he kind of brings in the variety in the instrumental, because he does that. I have kind of figured out the template that he uses, and it sounds very, very fresh. You would think that, okay, I figured out how Harris kind of makes his songs or composes his songs, but then every time if you pick out any song, like pick out like random 5 Harris songs, and it's going to sound so fresh and different. And I think it's because he incorporates the instrumentals in such a way, like in between the verses in such a way. The instrumental before the first verse, the instrumentals are very, very different. It just feels like a different genre. The instrumentals, say if there are 2 verses, before the second verse, the instrumentals are going to be absolutely different. Here also, like when it started, you heard like the matka sound and all of that, and then that kind of continues, and also after that it just keeps on feeling to me like a folk song. I like throughout till the first verse, until the first verse gets over, it completely feels like a folk song, and then the instrumental completely changes. You get the, he has infused the local culture, and he has kind of incorporated those instrumentals also. It feels great, and obviously it's backed by those visuals also of the people, and I think he did a phenomenal job there. So then the mood of the song also shifts, right? And I don't know what the context of the film is. It just looks like, I don't know, it felt to me like very much, what should I say? I don't want to say Romeo Juliet kind, because it just feels to me like, okay, this thing will not have a happy ending, because there's clearly, obviously, they are showing the class divide here, because she's very, very rich and he's extremely, extremely poor. So how they're gonna get together? Obviously there's going to be a huge conflict, and there is obviously the thinking patterns are different, the way both of them would have grown up. So but they still fall in love, they find common ground, they still fall in love. So how are they going to resolve this? They'll be like, no, either we are together or we die. Is it going to be like that? I feel whenever I see such happy songs, this I was saying for Chinna Chinna Kangal also, I was like, this is such a beautiful family happy song. I'm sure something tragic is going to happen. Like that's what happens, but we see it here also, because the father is clearly not happy, and he's so like out to kill him. He's out to kill the guy. So yeah, please let me know what happens. Give me some spoilers for this. I definitely want to know some spoilers. But the song, just talking about the song, I think very beautifully composed, and I don't think I have heard a song by Harris Jayaraj which is a little inclined towards the sound of a folk. Right, I think this is the first time for me, or maybe my memory is not, accompanying me right now, but as far as I can remember, I don't think I've listened to a Harris Jayaraj composition which sounds like a folk song. This is the first time, and I like it. I'm now, this is what I did not expect it, but here we are getting surprised, and I'm in awe again of the composition and how he has incorporated the instrumental. So yeah, that's Harris Jayaraj magic for you. Never ever disappoints. Very versatile, extremely fresh sounds. Like literally the songs, I mean, these are not very new songs, but I'm not saying these are very old songs, but I don't know when this film was released, but I'm saying it's not like recent, but whatever I have listened to, it sounds like so fresh and new. It's because he's kind of making the sounds also timeless in a way. I think that's the best way I could put it. So yeah, that was the reaction to Aathadi. Thank you so much again for requesting this, and now I'm gonna sign off. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.